difficult to talk when you are on radio already. So right now I'm cruising at 4,200. I'm supposed to climb to 4,500.
Past Palomar, descending to 3,500.
It's speed 80 knots and wings level.
November 603, roger.
Fly heading 300 and now climbing.
SoCal, Cirrus 858,
get back
Papa Golf,
to
departing
4,500.
1000 for 4,500. Cirrus 858, Papa Golf, scout approach, ident.
Climbing at 500 feet per second.
Ident 8, Papa Golf.
Per minute.
Cirrus 8, Papa Golf, further contact the mile southwest of Carlsbad, mirror mile altimeter 3000.
100 feet per minute. Climbing 4,400, 4,400. A little more, a little more. And now there you go. I'm on 4,500 now. This is the VOR. VSI reading 0, 4,500 cruising at and cruising at
Go jump 3 is
63 knots.
Go jump 3. Central aircraft skydiving at Oceanside Airport below 13,000 next 10 minutes.
400 RPM. This is my first cross country, solo cross country, and I came from Corona to Chino, Chino to Ramona, and now I'm heading back from Ramona to Corona, which is my solo cross country requirement. So the expected time of arrival is probably 30 minutes from now, and we'll see you there in Ramona.